Hello everybody, my name is Rick and welcome to my garden. Hey guys, and welcome back. In the garden again today. We've been blessed with 4-5 days of sunshine. So yeah, nothing better to get out in the garden, enjoy the sun while it lasts. Because probably it's not going to last for long, it's the UK, come on. So today, what I plan on doing is giving a bit of a clean up around the garden. Especially all that area which I mentioned earlier on. So that was the wife there, apologies for that. But yeah, we're just going to give that a clean up and well, let's jump to it. So yeah, all these rocks are going to go. I'm going to get rid of all the dead and the ruined roots and just make it look a bit nicer, to be honest. Yeah, make it a bit better to look at. I'm also going to attempt to see what's in there and trying to get that bag out and see if the soil's any good to plant stuff in it. So yeah, well anyway, I'll start work on that and see you soon. That's the start of it done. One thing that is a godsend when you do anything like this is bags. Any old compost bags or building bags, especially sharp sand, stuff like that. Keep hold of. because you never know when you're going to need them. I've got a few in there from various places I've collected over time. But yeah, there's a belting for garden rubble, and exactly what we're doing today. So yeah, anyway, let's get cracking. Enough chatting. One dead, one to go. Right, so I had to take this out because that thing would not come out at all. I don't know what it is, if anyone can tell me, but it's a big bugger anyway. So yeah, that's one down. I've got rid of all the bricks and the little stones and stuff from around here. I just got to get this out now. They look like the same. Yeah, they look like the same plant, but I don't know what it is. It's got these weird bulbs and stuff at the bottom. Could be pods or flowers or. Anyway, I hope they are dead. Anybody knows what they are, just let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I'll go and take this out. I'm going to try and take this thorn bush out as well. It's all the way over there. And yeah, once I've done that, I'll bring you back. Okay guys, so that's it done. Yeah, as you can see, it looks a lot better now, a lot cleaner. Got to put all these stones down to make like an edging. All the boulders, and move them from wherever they were. Yeah, there's a lot of weed control fabric all the way around here, which I pulled up, which is a nice idea, but see, it's all there. But yeah, there's that many holes in it, it wasn't really doing much. So yeah, I pulled all that up. Also, the plants I saved from last year when I moved in, I put them from there. I've also planted them in here, and the tree ones over there. Just so basically they get in, I can always move them later in the year if I need to. Just so they can start rooting, and because I know they've been in there for quite some time, so yeah. Oh, and also this reed, I've cleaned a lot of it up. I tried to get inside it to get rid of most of the browny stuff, but I wonder what this is. I think it looks like rust. I know plants and vegetables can get rust. Is that what that is? If so, is there any way to reverse that? If there is, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I've just got that to do now. And well, that isn't staying. I think that's dead anyway. Or is it? It looks dead. Maybe, I don't know, maybe one of you guys can tell me if it's dead or not. But it's not changed since I moved in, so I assume it's dead. I'll keep falling over these rocks and stuff. But yeah, so that's all cleaned up, that's all done. So nice space open left for other plants and whatnot down here. I think I'm going to keep this as a flower area, flower bed, rockery type thing. I think that's the plan with that. These are the big roots that I took out. As you see, they've got a bit of weight to them. There's probably plenty of soil on there, but I've blasted them off as best I could. I don't know what them are. They don't look too healthy anyway, so I'm glad I took them out. Yeah. Also, guys, if you do know what this is, as I said before, please, falling over everywhere now. Please let me know, because it looks like this has got the same fate as that over there, with a bit of rust. Someone's been chewing at it as well. But yeah, let me know if that is worth saving, or if you can reverse it. Other than that, I think that's it for the time being. All I've got to wait now for is the seeds to start germinating, and that tire, which I'll do another day. But yeah, I did use some of this soil just to plant that there, but I don't know, I think it's compost, but it's got like red molecules in it. Is that some kind of vermiculite or something like that? I thought vermiculite was white, but I could be wrong. But yeah, it does look like it's composted down, so that might be decent soil. So yeah, guys, that's it, me done today. And thank you very much for watching and following along with me. It's been a garden update slash cleanup video, and hopefully the next time we're actually in the garden in the video, I can actually give you something to watch, something productive, instead of watching me clean my own garden. But yeah, so yeah guys, if you did enjoy the video, please give that like button, smash, hit that subscribe button if you do enjoy the content of the channel and want to know more. Hit that notification bell to know when I get next uploaded, and leave a comment down below, especially if you guys know how to reverse the rust on the reeds. So yeah, that's been it from me, guys. Thank you very much. My name's been Rick, this has been Rick's Garden, and until next time, take it easy. Happy gardening.